Hi, Kimchi. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today? Oh, your hair is quite long. Thank you.
Dagang kumpanya sa usa ka. Dagang usa na dagang kumpanya pero sa tay kaduhang trabaho nando may kumpanya.
Okay, so how are you today?
I'm good. And you?
Of course, I'm good. I'm here in the school because there is a power interruption in our place, so I have to move here in school. Look at this one. These are the offices. These are the tables of the teachers. Oh, so I'm in school right now. So how was your trip with your mom? Is it good? Your trip, your holiday with your mom. You ride a boat. You swim. What did you do?
I swim in the sea.
Oh. And what else?
And
You enjoy a lot? You enjoy? You're happy?
yeah.
Wow, that's good. Okay, so now, Chi, we're going to have the lesson now. So I'll be sharing you here. We are already in, sorry, Chi, for a while. I need to do it again. Okay, here, because I was not able to share the sound. And here, okay, so we are already in unit 10. That's unit 10 lesson. Unit 10 lesson 3. I have to find here lesson 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the one we had talked last time. So we talked about when will sports day be? Okay, is that our topic? That's lesson 10.
Independence Day.
Singing contest.
Sports Day.
Take part in.
Win.
Okay, so we are done with that. Okay, we are here. So let's.
When will Sports Day be?
It'll be on Saturday.
Okay, we're done with that. And so we are now in lesson 3. We are in lesson 3.
What are
Point and say.
What?
Okay, so we are now here in lesson 3, Chi. We are here a new word.
Tell greeting card.
Okay, so we have 2 words here. New 2 words. First is how to tell a story. You know how to tell a story? Like I will tell about Snow White. That's tell a story. You know how to tell a story? You understand the word?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Chi. Next, you will have to make a greeting card. You will have to make a greeting card. Okay, that's great. Another. So let's move here to grammar. Look at the grammar. We have here, teacher, the going to future. Okay. Teacher Anne will going to tell you about this. Going to future. So when you say going to, okay, oh my God. When you say going to, it means that it's not happening yet, Chief. It's not happening yet. Okay. So it's still in the future, not happening yet. Okay. Do you understand, teacher? You understand? Yeah. Okay. So when we say going to, so it means it's not happening. Yeah, not yet. So, from the word future, of course, it's in the future, teacher. It's tomorrow, teacher. Next day, teacher. Next month, next year, like that. So, future. Okay. So, we are going to look at here. What is this all about? Here. Okay. So, can you please read this one, Chi? Okay, please read.
We we will be going to talk about future plans and
Intentions.
intention. Usually
The session,
decision about
the
the
future,
future the future
plans,
plans had already been made. She's going to play badminton in sport day at school. I'm going to take part in sport day at school.
Okay, very good, Shi. So look at here. So look at this one. So your intentions first. Use of the be going to the future. So we are now in grammar. Chi, I am asking you to please listen carefully. Okay? Do you understand, teacher? You understand? Okay, very good, Chi. Okay, so these are the intentions. Okay, what is intentions, teacher Anne? What do you mean by, you know the word intention? Plans. You know that word? You know that word? The plans, future plans, intentions. What is that? Do you have something to say about this? Future plans and tensions. Okay, so teacher Anne will discuss about this. We use be going to this one to talk about future plans and intentions. Usually, the decision about the future plans has already been made. Okay, example. So, we are going to use be going, this one, be going. We use that if we are talking about future plans. If you have future plans, if you have plans in the future, and you have the intentions, okay, so you will use be going to. Okay, example, I have a plan for the future. I will be going to the city tomorrow. Okay, I will write here. Okay, look at this. I will be, sorry, I use caps lock. I will be going to the city tomorrow. Okay, can you see that? Okay, can you see that? Okay, so I will be going to the city tomorrow. Okay, I will highlight here. Look at this one. Be going to. Okay, can you see that? I will be going to the city tomorrow. So teacher Anne, I am the speaker. Look at me. I am the speaker. So I have the plan. I have the plan that I will go to the city tomorrow. So not now. Tomorrow, teacher. From the word tomorrow, it means it's future. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, again. We use be going to talk about future plans. Future plans. So when you say future, it's not happening yet. Not yet. Okay. I have here example. Okay. Okay. By the way, Chi, if you think teacher is so fast? Fast? Tell me, teacher, it's fast. I can't understand, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I need to explain this to you so you will understand. Okay. I will be going to the city tomorrow. I will be going, look up here, be going to. Can you see that? Be going to the city tomorrow. So it means I will go to the city tomorrow. Tomorrow. Not now. Not today. Tomorrow. So I plan, teacher plan that I will go to the city tomorrow. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, very good, She. So another example. So look at this one. She's going to play badminton in sports day at school. Again, she's going to play badminton in sports day at school. Can you see that? Look at the sentence number one, number two. Look at number one, going to. So can you see that she's going to play badminton in sports day at school. Okay? So there is a plan, there is an intention that you will going to play. You really plan it, Chi? You really plan it that you will play badminton in school tomorrow. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand? Okay, very good. Good job. Another example. I am going to take part in sports day at school. So you have the intention, Chi, that you will take part the sports day at school. So it means that you will join the sports day. You know what is sports day? You know what is that? Sports day.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I am going to take part. I am going to join in sports day at school. So you have the intention, you already knew that you will play or you will join the play. Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, that's good, my dear. Very good. Okay, so this is the reason, only one general thought, Chi. Only one. So when you use be going to, this is for, what is this? Can you read that? What is that? It's future. Okay. Always remember that this is for future. Do you understand?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Okay. So, wow. Good job, Chi. So, now let's move. You have question? Do you have question? You ask me. Before we proceed, you have to ask me. Tell me. I need to drink water. Okay, go. You understand? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, that's good, because maybe when your dad and mom will ask you, Chi, did you learn something from teacher Ann? And you will just say, oh, sorry, I didn't know about that. I didn't learn something from teacher. You have to ask me, right? Your dad will always do comment in the group chat. And also your mom, okay? Wow, good job. Very good, my dear Chi. Okay, next one here. Okay, I will erase this one. Okay, so here. So another one is we are going to first using be going to for future plans and intentions. That's first and second. We have here use of be going to for predictions. You will predict. You will have to predict here. Predictions. Okay. Okay. So you will be going to have predictions. Okay. Look at this one. We use be going to predict something that we think is certain to happen or which we have evidence for now. So we use this one. Okay, here. We use this one, be going to predict something that we think it is certain to happen. Okay. Or which we have evidence. Okay, example. Example here. It's going to snow. It's going to snow again soon. Okay, going to. Can you see that? There is going to. So they predict, they will tell in advance that there will be a snow soon. Okay. So we have here the speaker can probably see dark snow clouds. Okay. So like this, I will look outside. Okay. It seems that the clouds is dark and there is a rain. Okay. So I will predict. I will tell my predictions. I will tell what happened. Okay. What will happen tonight. I will say it's going to rain tonight because the clouds are dark. Okay. Can you see this? Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say this one? Can you see this one? It's going to rain tonight, teacher Ann, because the clouds are dark. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. Look at here. So you are predicting. You are telling me. You are telling me that it's going to rain. Why? Because clouds are dark. Yeah, because clouds are dark. So it's going to rain. Okay? Okay,
Yeah.
do you understand? So you predict, you tell something ahead that tonight it will rain or it's going to rain because the clouds are dark. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay, another example. Look out. He's going to break that glass. Okay. So he's going to. Look out, Chi. He's going to break that glass. So you see in your eye that he's going to break the glass. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So you predict, you can tell that he is going to break that glass because you see it. You see in your eyes that the man is doing like that. The man is doing like that. So you can say that he is going to break the glass. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? First reason for production is you cannot see. That's the first one. You only tell what will happen. Second, that's the first example of teacher. It's going to rain tonight because the clouds are dark. So that's one reason. You did not see, but you only think. Okay, another. Second prediction is you see it in your eyes that the man broke the glass. So you have the proof. You knew already that it's real. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. So again, Chi, it's going to hear. It's going to hear. These are future. These are future. Okay? These are future things. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job. Okay. Next one here. Okay, for a while. So do you understand this one? Very good. Okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. So another use of going to future is, okay, first we had that. Anyway, we're going to have a wrap-up discussion with this one. Another is it is used for commands like this. Okay. Another is it is used for commands like we use be going to when we give commands. When we say something, please give me, or you will not say please. You will, Chi, give me the water. Chi, give me the broom. Chi, give me the food. Or that's it. That command or say that something is obligatory, or that you really knew you have to do it. Okay. So this is the parent to a child. Okay. Parent, the mom or dad, to child, to chi. Okay. Okay. You're going to pick up all those toys right now. So it's command. It's a command that it's obligatory, that you really need to do it, chi. You will say, or your mom, what's the name of your mom? Tan? Okay.
Yeah.
Your mama Tan will say, Chi, you're going to take a shower now. Okay, just for example. Chi, you're going to pick up all those toys right now because your room is a mess. Okay, it's very untidy. It's very dirty. So you're going to pick up all those toys right now. Do you understand? So you will also use the expression going to because what? Because this is a command. Okay. When we say command, it's obligatory. You have to do something. It's obligatory. You have to do something with that. Okay, do you understand, Chi?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So we have different types on how to use the command. I mean, use going to. This is all for the future. Okay. Okay. First is, what is here? First is intentions. Your intentions and your plans. Okay, teacher will repeat this one. First is your intentions and your plan. So your intentions is you will have to play badminton on sports day. That's intention first. Second is you will have to join or take part in sports day. You will have to take part, you will going to join or take parts in sports day. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, good job. Yay. Next, another. Second is predictions. Predictions is that when you predict something, okay, you will say something, what will happen. Okay, we have two. We have two forms of prediction. First is, of course, you predict something which you did not see. Okay, you only think it's going to rain tonight because the clouds are dark. So you predict, you see that maybe, or that's the word maybe, maybe it's going to rain because the clouds are dark. Another, you predict that the boy or the man will break the glass because you see it. You see it in your eyes. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, that's second. Another cheat is the last one is, what is that? Commands. Okay, this is the commands. Okay, this is the command. When we give commands or order, you will say, Chi, pick up that one. Chi, go to the mall. Chi, you can take a shower now. That's command. Okay, you will say, or your mom or your dad will say, Chi, you have to get up. You have to get up from bed now. It's already late in the morning. So that's command. Okay, do you understand the word command?
Yes.
Yay, good job. So first here, you're going to pick up all those toys right now, Chi, because your room is a mess. It's very dirty. It's very untidy. There are lots of garbage. So you have to pick all those things right now, okay? Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, so we have here Teacher Ann, what is the difference between will and be going to? So we have here, teacher already discussed be going to. Teacher will already discuss be going to. Okay, for a while, check. Okay, so we have here will and be going to. Okay, so will here is, what is will? That's future. Be going to, that's future. Okay, this is actually, they are the same. Will, be going to. Okay, future. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I will explain it to you, Chi. I will explain it to you. Okay. Will means actually will and be going to, they are for future, okay? For future tense. Okay, first. When will we use will? When will we use will? Okay. First, it is at the session at the moment of speaking. At the moment of speaking. So again, it is at the session at the moment of speaking. When you speak, example, Jolly, there's no milk. John, really? In that case, I will go and get some. Okay, do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Yeah, very good, Chick. So look up here. So Jolie said, this is Julie. Julie said, there's no milk. And John said, really? In that case, I will go and get some. So if you were going to read this one, when Julie said that there is no milk, John said, I will go and get some. So this is the example, this session at the moment of speaking. So when I say example, another example, another. I will say, you will say, teacher, I don't have a pen. You will say, teacher Ann, I don't have a pen. So I will say, oh, really, Chi? You don't have a pen? Okay, I will go to the store, the shop, bookshop. I will buy a pen. Do you understand now? Do you
Yeah.
understand what did I say? Yay, very good. Another one for the will. Will can be used when you will make or when you will do a prediction based on opinion. Okay, look up this one. You will predict. So you will use the word I think. Okay? You will predict. So you will use the word I think. Okay. Look at this one. I think the Conservatives will win the next election. Always remember, Chi, when you use the word prediction, there is always I think. I think. Because you know why? Do you know why? Do you know why there is the word I think? You know why? Do you know why? Why? Because when yeah, go. Because go, Chi. Because okay, you try your best to answer. Because
the Conservative will win the next election.
okay. So we use prediction. We use I think in prediction because you are not sure. You are not sure. You are not 100% sure that you will win the election. So you are not sure. So prediction here, predict is not sure thing, not sure, not 100% sure. You will only predict. You will only tell what you see. You will only tell what you think. Okay? Do you understand prediction? So again, prediction is not 100% sure. Not sure. Okay, so you will only predict based on your opinion. What you see, what you see, or what you think. If you think you will win, it's up to you. If you think you cannot win, it's up to you. It's not 100% sure. That is why, the reason why we use the word I think. Maybe. Okay, just like you will say, Chi, are you going to Europe next year? I will ask. And what will be your answer? What will be your answer? You will say, I think so, teacher, right? You will say, I think so, teacher, because you are not sure. Because you did not ask your dad and your mom yet. So you will say to teacher, you will answer to teacher, I think so, teacher, I think so. Like that. Do you understand? You understand?
Yeah.
Yay, very good. Another one for will is that you will have a future fact. You will have future fact. What's real in the future? Future that is real, it's a fact. Okay, look at this. The sun, example, Chi. The sun will rise tomorrow. This one, the sun will rise tomorrow. This is real, right? Because every morning, the sun will rise as long as it is not raining, right? Do you understand me? So every now and then, if it's sunny, the sun will 100% rise. Do you understand? Do you understand, teacher? Yeah. Please tell me, Chi, if you did not understand. Teacher will going to discuss it again. Okay? Another. Teacher will is only it indicates promises, requests, refusals, and offers. Again, promises. You will promise. I will promise. Okay, I will write the example here. It's the promises. Here, I will promise that I will be your best friend. Okay, it's the example. That's promise. That's promises. You will use will. Okay, do you understand? Here, I will answer. Yeah. So you will use promise here. I will promise that I will be your best friend. Okay, that's promise. Okay. Another here is requests. Request. Can I have can I have the water in the table, please? Okay. So you make a request. Okay, sorry. Well, I have. Will I join? Okay. Will I join the swimming lesson? That's another request. So using the word will. Another, refusals. Refuse, it means you will say no. I will not say goodbye. I will not say goodbye to you. That's refusal. You will say no. No. Okay? Another. Offer. You will do offer. I will give my old dress. Hey, so these are example of promises, requests, refusal, and offers. This is promises. This is sorry. Requests. This is three is refusals. 4 is offers. Okay, can you see that? So these are the 4 forms on when you can use the word will. Okay, these are the 4 forms on how or when you can use the word or the expression will. For promises, I will promise that I will be your best friend. That's promises. When you promise, you can use the word will, okay? Request.
Yeah.
She, will I join or I will join the swimming? Will I join the swimming lessons? Please? Another refusal. You will say no. Refuse? No. She, I will not say goodbye to you. That's refusal. You will say, you will refuse. You will say no. Next, number 4, you will offer. She, I will give my old dress to the poor. That's offer. You will offer something. So you can use will for promises, for requests, for refusals, and for the offers. Okay, you will use that. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Good job, G. Do you understand what is teacher saying? Do you understand me? You understand teacher Anne?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. So it's really great to know that. Chi, you have your assignment. Okay, wait a second. Okay, wait for a while. I have to check your assignment here. PK 200-8117. It's here. So you have your assignment here, Chi. Your mom is the one who sent this to me. My favorite event at school. I study at Kaubakwat Primary School. I'm in grade 5 in class 5. What's this? 5 A4.
5A4.
Yeah, 5A4. My favorite event at school is back to school event. Okay, it is organized on September on September 5. It is organized every September 5. Okay, after summer, okay, it is organized every September 5. After summer holiday, I liked it because what's this? After long time, I can meet my friends and my teachers. Okay. Teacher Anne will have to write this one in Zalo, and then I will send the correct one. Okay? Okay, Chi?
Yeah.
Okay, I will type something here in Zalo now. Then I will send back to your mother or in the Zalo also. Okay, so for now, Chi, do you have question? We will continue this. Okay. Oh, sorry, Chi. So we will continue this. Okay, when will be our meeting? Tomorrow? So you will have class with me tomorrow, right?
Yes.
And in the evening, you will have class with Teacher Anne. Okay. So for now, Teacher Anne will say goodbye and I will have to retype to correct your assignment. Okay? Okay? So you understand now? No question, Teacher Anne? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so for now, Teacher Anne, okay, sorry. Teacher Anne will say, goodbye, Chi. Okay, bye-bye. Okay,
Goodbye.
okay, I will check your assignment in Zalo, okay? I will send, okay?
Yeah.
Very good, bye. See you.